This motherfucker, he don't need a jackhammer. He gonna sling a fucking 16-pound hammer, sledgehammer, and break that bitch up. The whole driveway. They gonna be fucking pounding on this motherfucker for a while. God damn. It gotta be a better way.
No, I got it. Once you get a certain section,
Once he gets it up, it'll be alright.
once you get a certain section, they come out. You just gotta get.
It's just wedged right now until you get all the way across it.
Oh, I see what you're saying.
Once you want to see it's all,
you get a line all the way across this
once you get a
motherfucker.
line all the way across
Yeah,
it,
once you.
you know what I mean? Then it's not locked and wedged in anymore.
Yeah.
Oh, you get it. This ain't his first radio.
Yeah. Damn, that shit's thick, ain't it?
Yeah. That's good. It's gonna mash all that shit down to that dumpster.
God damn.
Come on, get some. You wanna fight me? Come on. Come on, mother. Get this old man. I ain't but 45.
You want some safety glasses, old man?
This fucking 45 years old swinging at 16 pounds.
You want some
Sledgehammer.
safety glasses, old man?
I might.
Hold on, I got to set in the truck.
God damn.
You don't want to make your eyes up, you won't be able to look at the pretty woman no more.
Hey, what is that? Stand there with a sledgehammer so I can take a picture of you, man, for a thumbnail. Huh? Oh, fucking sledgehammer up. Yeah, okay. That's good. All right. So we're gonna let him keep on doing whatever he's doing, pulling that shit up. We're gonna go in here and start hanging some cabinets in the kitchen. It's Friday. It's payday. Right now. All right, we are now at the end of day 35 of our house renovation. And Earth was out here with a fucking 16-pound fucking sledgehammer all day, busting this fucking driveway up. He busted a lot of shit up today. And once he busts all that shit up and everything, then we're gonna pour some forms and bring some concrete in here and fucking build a new concrete driveway. So we don't need no fucking jackhammer when we got Earth and a sledgehammer, because he'll break this shit up. It take him fucking 2 days to break it all up, load it in the trash can. That shit'll be gone. He'll have his forms built. And in a day, he'll have his fucking concrete poured and fucking brushed out, finished, and fucking driveway be done. So we did that. Also today, we started hanging the cabinets. So we got that, all the upper ones in. And I haven't decided if I'm gonna put a microwave there or a vent, or just a regular hood vent. But those cabinets are hung. Monday, we're gonna come in here and deal with these. That one and this fucking round bitch. You gotta build a pedestal for under that. Also today, when that goes in. But also today, we did some work in the bathroom. The bathroom's about done now. I pulled those fucking shims out of the tub where I pushed it back in and put some tub and towel, so that's all fucking sealed up now. And then over here, we put all the trim back around the door. And the baseboard is in now. These little closet doors are on now with the brushed nickel hardware. I had to rip that fucking trim board right there. So let's go into a different camera mode so we can kind of see more. That's right. This is where we're at with our bathroom. Walk in now. Got that dual flush hitter. Your tub. Plenty ample storage places and shelves in there to sit things. A shower. PVC around the bottom. And a vanity. Small vanity, simple vanity. And that's our bathroom. All I need to do is put up a toilet paper roll holder and a couple of towel racks and some blinds. Put the door on and this room will be finished. The bathroom will be done. Oh, and a rod to go across there for a shower curtain if we put one. So this is the end of day 35 of our house renovation. So if you like that video, subscribe to Gateway TV, hit the like button, and click the little notification bell so you know when I upload a new video. Take advantage of some of the other 320 videos that we have on how to do things and reviews and whatnot. And if you got a question, leave it in the comment section. Or ask a question at peninsulaimp@aol.com or peninsulaimp@gmail.com, which is also in the channel description. It's Friday. It's time for us to cut this shit off and get the fuck out and hit the trail, man. We'll see you on Monday on day 36 of our house renovation, where we will be finishing our cabinets and starting to lay out some hardy board on the floor in the kitchen so that we can start putting down our kitchen floor. After that, then it's just a bunch of fucking little tweaking up shit. Fixing little places, touch-ups, cleaning out tools and shit, and getting everything ready for the floor refinishing. So have a nice day. Subscribe to Go TV. And stay tuned for Monday, day 36 of our house renovation. I'm gonna hit the motherfucking trail. And the hell nobody in it.